In second question, you are told that due to traffic jam, you could not reach Dhaka at 2:54 p.m. Instead, you reached at 3:13 p.m. Now, what is the traveling time? Here, the arrival time is 3:13 p.m. What do we need to do? We need to convert this 12-hour format to 24-hour format. That means we will add a 12-hour to it. 3:13 p.m. This is a 12-hour format. And if we need to convert it to 24-hour format, we need to add a 12:00. It becomes 15:13 in 24-hour format. So arrival time is 3:13 p.m. That means 15:13. And the departure time is 10:32 a.m. Why didn't we change 10:32? Because when 10:32 a.m. in 12-hour format, this is 10:32 a.m. and in 24-hour format, this is also 10:32. But when in case of PM, we need to change it by adding 12 hour. So we got the case here, arrival time and departure time. If we subtract this from this, we will get our traveling time. Here we got a problem. How can we subtract 32 from 13? This is smaller and this is greater. So what to do here? We will borrow an hour from here. If we borrow an hour from here, it becomes 14. And we add that hour to this. 1 hour means 60 minutes. We will add 60 minutes with 13. That means it becomes 73. 15:13, we can assume that as 14 hour 73 minutes. How? We borrowed an hour from 15. So this 15 became 14 and we added that hour, that means that 60 minute with these 13 minutes and this becomes 73 minutes. Now 73 minus 32, 3 minus 2, 1, 7 minus 3, 4 and 14 minus 10, that means 4. Therefore, the traveling time in this case is 4 hour and 41 minute. This is our answer to the second question.